Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marola Channel. Seperti biasa, kami tidak akan bosan-bosannya memberikan informasi-informasi terbaru seputar talenta-talenta terbaik Indonesia. Dan di sini salah satunya adalah Putri Ariani. Guys, sudah lebih dari 10 hari, namun reaktor-reaktor dan juga para musisi-musisi dunia terus berdatangan untuk mereaksi dan mendengarkan lagu terbaru Putri Ariani bersama Warga dan juga Peder Elias. Dan tak tinggal pula seorang guru vokal cantik asal Spanyol ikut memberikan penilaiannya terhadap Putri dan Elias. Dan dia juga sangat senang karena Putri makin hari makin bagus dan selalu saja ada peningkatan vokal katanya. Wow, mantap. Siapakah dia ya? Oke guys, daripada penasaran siapakah dia dan seperti apakah reaksinya, yuk langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go!
I am. So yeah, I'm going to quiet. I'm going to mute myself.
Mimi Mireya Estargaro kalau nggak salah namanya ya.
Yeah, and let's go.
Boys, I don't know if this is Alan or is the other singer Peter. I think it was his name. Let me know in the comments because for what I know, I don't follow Alan the very first time and last time that I think it was last time that I saw Alan was performing with Putri in the Indonesian Idol, I think it was. No, it was not with
bukan
Putri.
Indonesian Idol, Mimi.
It was with Salma, I think. Salma or Nabila.
Iya, itu di acara RCTI itu kalau nggak salah ya.
But I think
Putri
it was
sama
that time,
Warga
the last and only time that I heard him. But I didn't hear him because he didn't sing. He's keyboard. He plays with a keyboard. I think you say keyboard. My brain, no, okay. I'm trying to think more than I should. Oh, you know, straight to the playlist. I like it. It's like a very calm song, but at the same time it has those like dancey beats. I like it.
Ya, mantap.
Adore her. I adore her voice. Like whatever she sings, she's just an angel. Oh.
Nah, kenapa Mimi? Oke. Ada kesalahan teknis Mimi kayaknya.
I can't move apparently. Okay, I'm gonna.
Ada apa dengan Putri Mimi?
On a becoming like trending song on TikTok with a typical like epic video, like those videos that are epic. I don't know, like for example, if you are traveling or you film with a drone, the landscape, and on the background is. I like it. I know that it's trending here on YouTube. I am the worst person to stop
ada apa
a video.
Mimi ini?
I am the worst. They are just like literally 30 seconds left. Just to stop the video. What I wanted to say is that you can find, because I'm going to be adding this one on my playlist, like my favorite music, I think it's called, or something like that. You can get the link in the description box, okay, if you want to check what kind of music I listen to. I am building it, okay, so be patient with me.
Iya, mantap. Mimi.
I stopped in the worst moment. Oh my goodness, love it. Love it. That's it, yeah. Oh my goodness. If the world didn't know Putri Ariani enough, now they are going to know her even more. Wow, can you see here? It's like number 5 on music trends, like here on YouTube. Once again, I definitely see this video becoming trending. Oh jeez. On TikTok with an epic video, in a slow motion, like.
Oke, mantap, luar biasa Mimi ya. Terima kasih Mimi reaksinya. Oke, mantap, itu dia guys reaksi kita hari ini. Mireya Espargaro kalau masalah itu nama channelnya. Beliau selalu menantikan lagu-lagu terbaru dari Putri Ariani dan selalu mengidolakan Putri ya. Dan apalagi setiap penampilan Putri itu selalu aja ada perubahan-perubahan katanya. Dan Mireya ini selalu aktif untuk mereaksi talenta-talenta terbaik Indonesia, dan salah satunya adalah Putri Ariani dan juga Ali-Bata dan juga yang lain-lain. Beliau merupakan seorang reaktor asal Spanyol ya kalau nggak salah, dan beliau juga telah banyak mereaksi lagu-lagu atau cover-cover dari Putri Ariani. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi, dan nantikan terus video berikutnya dari Marola Channel. Thank you.